Hey, you want to hear a secret? Come closer. I want to show you this really cool hidden gem near where I live in Puglia. Since I've been in Italy, I've been going all around Italy and really exploring this area. And you know, they can't make it all on YouTube. But my Patreon community, the Quirky Club, hi guys, well, they support my work, so you know, they get some perks. So they've known about this for a few months now because I made this video for them. If you join my Patreon community, you get exclusive videos like this one every single month. You also get exclusive recipes, live chats. We have a ton of fun. So I hope you'll consider it. All right, come on down to Puglia to a hidden beach near where I live in Trani. Hi Quirky Club, what's going on? It is a Tuesday and one of the perks of living here is getting to go to the beach at the end of the workday, and it's almost 6 o'clock, and so we're taking our car, and if you've seen the car salon video, you recognize this car and also where we have to walk to park it. So we just walked to get the car, and I want to show you about this place that I hope is cool that we're checking out today. Narrow roads in Puglia, only one car at a time. Okay, so we made it here to this place that we are seeing for the first time. You'll be seeing it with me. It's called Ripalta. It's a beach about a 20-minute drive away from where we live in a town of Bisceglie. A local friend who lives in Bisceglie gave us this tip. I'm down to find a cool hidden beach. Want to come with? It's pretty overcast though. Might rain. You know, this serves as a really nice reminder. A couple things. One, ask locals wherever you go where they like to go, because that's how you get to the bottom of so many hidden gems like this. And it's also a great reminder that there is endless beauty, endless cool things to see, to do, wherever you are. All right, Quirky Club, that's it for this video. Thank you, as always, for your support. Thanks for keeping it quirky. Ci vediamo alla prossima. Bye! All right, everyone, thanks for watching until now. I hope you enjoyed this video. And again, check out my Patreon community, the Quirky Club, if you want to get more perks like this on a regular basis. Thanks as always for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will see you all very soon. Ci vediamo alla prossima. Ciao.